So, say hi to Zeus. So Zeus, he's our first cat here. He's 3 years old. He's Persian. I'm sorry, he doesn't really like to be cuddled or something. Sometimes he likes, but Day amoy igit talaga siya, day. So,
First,
hi guys. Today we're going to introduce you our cats. So this video is all about
cats.
our cats, our
Yeah.
kittens, and it's all about cats. So, and first, we're going to talk about the cats that we have, how many cats we have, and how many rescued we have, and who is the first, who is which, who is what, who is do like they look, whatever. So first, before anything else, before we introduce our cats, our like home cats, we're going to introduce you these two little kittens here. So this is our visitors tonight. This is our friend's cat, like at the other door. So Ate Joy, who loves cats as well. I think he has 15 cats already. And so he just give it nilagay lang. So binigay I mean nilagay lang mo niya rin. I think she's busy tonight. We foster them just for a few hours, and we'll take this opportunity to show to you guys how our cutie little kittens are so adorable, sleeping already. So this is Tali and Mia. So this is Tali, this is Mia. So they're anong breed nito? Anong breed? So I will
Persian yata.
yeah, they're like Persian or something.
Yeah.
So I will
They're mixed actually.
yeah, they're mixed, but they're definitely like Persian because as you can see there is like there is makapal yung mga balahibo nila.
Yeah.
So yeah, so they're like 2 months old from now on. So okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you. So I will update you soon. I'll give you update for these little kittens, Tali and Maya. Bye. Bye. So say hi to Zeus. So Zeus, he's our first cat here. He's 3 years old. He's Persian. I'm sorry, he doesn't really like to be cuddled or something. Sometimes he likes, but Day amoy igit talaga siya, day. He's amoy tae. He just poops, so he smells. So this is Sugar. So this is our third cat. Actually he's adopted. We adopt him. As I said, we have a friend like Ate Joy. He loves taking care of cats, and he rescued cats as well. So every time that he has rescue or something, he's going to show us if he like, or if we wanted to keep. So Sugar is one of Sugar is one of her rescued cat that we adopt. So it's been how many? It's almost a year that we have Sugar as well, and we're very grateful and we're very thankful to have Sugar because he's super sweet, and at the same time he is a pacemaker. So if we are if the cats are going into fight, so he's the cat that pumapagitna siya sa lahat ng mga pusa na pag nag-aaway. He's agreeing about what I'm saying. So he's adorable. He's Siamese cat
Mixed with
Cham Chok Chok Chok. We don't really know because as I said, we just rescued him in the street. So, but we're grateful and thankful to have Sugar. So his attitude, he loves being cuddled like this.
Yeah.
And he's as I say, he's very sweet. And what else?
He likes to eat.
He likes to eat sometimes, but he loves to be in the sleepers or whatever. So he's like, he loves to
He
sit.
really likes to hang to the
Yeah, to
something
hang, like,
there's
yeah.
an item.
Exactly.
On top of it.
Just say bye and we're done. Bye. Hi guys. Next. So
Ang sayo this
this is Dylan.
Dylan.
So one of our rescue cat as well. He's British short hair. Oh my god.
He likes
He's
to-
British short hair. So one of our rescue cat as well. from Ate Joy. Again, thank you very much. And so Dylan is one of the angry cat we have, but he's still adorable. He is troublemaker actually.
Why?
He's a troublemaker, and he's, I think he's the oldest cat we have. Yeah, you're the old.
But at the same time, he's so sweet too.
But at the same time, he's sweet, and he's good if he's alone. He doesn't really sometimes he sorry babe, we're just having a big so it's almost a year as well that we have him. They're almost like the same of Sugar, like something like that. So this is our Dylan. He's the best enemy of Zeus. So finally, our favorite. We all love them, but Butter is a different cat. If Sugar is sweet, he's the most sweetest.
Sweetness, yes. Agree.
Siya yung pinaka-sweet sa amin.
Yeah.
He loves to sleep with us. He loves to be in our bed as well. Yeah, he doesn't really want to be outside,
Yeah.
especially if there's a lot of people and there's a visitors. He just wanted to be inside or to hide or something because he's diagnosed social phobia. So he has a social phobia thingy. So he doesn't like to be. So I was saying that he has a social phobia. He doesn't really wanna be outside. But sometimes it depends of his mood actually. But sometimes you can see him mingling with our visitors and something. But only sometimes. But most of the time he's just sleeping and he's just in that house and he's just observing something. So this is our second cat. We got him for like almost 2 years. 2 years ago as well. Because Zeus was alone by that time, so we think that Zeus needs to have a brother, so we decided to get Butter for him to have para may kalaro siya and whatever. So they're getting along. See, as you can see, he's the most calm cat. He doesn't really want to be out of my body because as you can see, the rest of the cat, every time that I cuddle them or if I hold him like this, they're just gonna run away immediately. But Butter is not. He's gonna wait until you release him. Release me. So like that. So he will just wait for you to be done, or kung tapos ka na sa kanya. Once you're done, it's okay. But as much as we want to cuddle him, it's fine for him. So this is our baby. He's the baby. He's the youngest cow that we have. So again, his name is Butter. Say hi. He is actually a Scottish Fold. As you can see, he's folded because he's a Scottish Fold, right? So he's Scottish Fold. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be updating you for more videos, for more videos for our cats. Bye. Bye.